So, welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box. And in this video, we are going to discuss some special type of things, and it's also basic because I think that basic should be strong. So, what are we going to learn here? It's actually basic. So, here you can see when you open Blender, you can see this is by default appear in front of your 3D view. So you can rather delete it by pressing X, and I'm hitting in here. So screencast, you can see what I'm typing, what I'm pressing. Here you can see I'm pressing N. So this is camera, and I'm just adding a mesh view. Okay. So, what is mass? Mass is nothing but vertices, space, and edges. Combinations of vertices, space, and edges. Okay, so this is the collection of scenes. Here you can see this is actually holding the camera data. This is actually holding the mesh or cube data, and this is actually holds the light data. If you click here, you can change the data like this, like this. You can change the light data. This is red. This is something like that. You can change. You can change the light data. Okay, but we cannot change the data from the object mode, because the maze data, changing maze data in object mode, it's very hard. So go to edit mode, and now from this edit mode you can change the data of mesh. So as I told before, the mesh is nothing but a combinations of vertices, edges, and face. Here you can see this is the face, this is the edge, and this is the vertices. This is the combinations of four vertices, four edges make a face. Okay, and you should know three vertices actually need to make a face. Okay, and here in this edit mode, we can easily manipulate or easily manage to edit this cube. So if you click here in face mode, if you click here and hit G, and after that press Z, you can make it large, make it tall. Okay, P. So this is the thing. This is actually basic.